Hello family, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and as usual on this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an app or a site in which you can sign up for and you begin to make money online by simply watching short videos. This site is known as Payup video. I'm going to go ahead and make a review of this site, show you how to sign up for an account and how to go ahead and begin to watch the short videos and how much you will earn per video that you watch, as well as how much you will need in order to cash out your money and the 4 cash out method that you can use to cash out your money with this site. I'm just going to go ahead and walk you through this site. And before I do so, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so by smashing on that red subscribe button below this video. Equally, smash the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Alright, as you can see, this is the site here known as Payup. And to get to this official website, just go to your browser and type in payup.video and it will lead you to this official website. They say get paid for viewing short videos. I'm going to leave this site URL, this site link on my description box. They say pay out from 5 cents. So with just 5 cents, you can go ahead and you withdraw your money. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up for an account. As you can see, this is how the official website looks like right here. So I'm just going to scroll up. And I sign up for an account. On the right hand side of your screen, you click on sign up. Then it will open up to this section. Where you can create an account by signing up with your Google account, or you enter your email address, your password, and you sign up. As you can see right here, I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. And when you sign up, it will lead you to this dashboard section where everything is 00. As you can see right here, click on YouTube. When you click on YouTube, it will lead you to this section where you see the different videos where you need to click and view. For example, we have 200 videos available now, and we have 598 videos available today. So if you have all the time, you can go ahead and click all the 200 videos. And they say it is forbidden to use any automated tools except those authorized by the site administration and system of hiding the real IP address and so on. So this video is 10 seconds and this is how much you will earn. Here I have 0 balance. So when I click on view, it will lead me to YouTube. This is the video here where I need to watch for 10 seconds. This is the video right here. So after clicking on the video, they say tax done. This how much I have made for watching the 10 seconds video. This another 10 seconds video. I'll click on view. This is the video right here. I will click on the video and watch for 10 seconds. They say tax completed. Then the next video. So the process continues. So this is how much I have earned for viewing 2 videos. And I still have 199 videos available now. So as long as I am available, there will be more and more videos coming up for me to be clicking and making these few cents that you see on your screen. So I'm just going to go back to my dashboard section and you see how much I have made by clicking on these 2 ads. This is how much I have made from clicking for total views, 2 total views. And this is how much I have made. So you can actually also make money by referring others to the site. Then with the payout method, how do you get paid after watching short videos? The first method here is pay, and you need a minimum amount of $1. This is add cash. This is Tron TRX, which is $1. This is Dogecoin, which is a cryptocurrency. You need $1. So you need a minimum of $1 in order to cash out using any of these 4 cash out methods, as you can see right here. And they say you can cash out $20 daily. So the daily cash out limit for this site is $20, and it will be difficult for you to make $20 by just watching these short videos. So this is the review of paid up videos. You can actually make money by clicking short videos and watching for 10 seconds, and you make cents. The disadvantage about this site is that you need to put in more and more work in order to make $1. So I'm going to recommend another site if you actually want to be making money online by clicking on videos or just watching ads that pay more than this site. I'm going to leave the video right here. You can click on it and you sign up for an account and you start clicking on different ads. I think that site will pay more than this pay up site which I have just shared with you. If you find any value in this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Equally, go ahead and subscribe to this channel by clicking on that red subscribe button below this video. Equally, smash the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Equally, share this video with someone